Question number 1. What does a yellow diamond-shaped sign indicate? Option A, warning of a hazardous condition ahead. Option B, stop sign ahead. Option C, yield sign ahead. The correct answer is A. Yellow diamond-shaped signs are used to warn drivers of potential hazards. Question number 2. When approaching a stop sign, you must, Option A, stop, look, and yield to any traffic. Option B, slow down and continue if the road is clear. Option C, stop, check for pedestrians, and proceed. The correct answer is A. A stop sign requires a full stop, yielding to any traffic or pedestrians. Question number 3. What does a red arrow signal mean? Option A, stop and wait until the arrow turns green. Option B, you may proceed in the direction of the arrow. Option C, you must stop and cannot proceed in the direction of the arrow. The correct answer is C. A red arrow means you cannot proceed in the direction of the arrow. Question number 4. When two vehicles arrive at an intersection at the same time, which one has the right of way? Option A, the vehicle on the right. Option B, the vehicle going straight. Option C, the vehicle turning left. The correct answer is A. The vehicle on the right generally has the right of way in such situations. Question number 5. What does a flashing yellow light indicate? Option A, proceed with caution. Option B, stop immediately. Option C, yield to pedestrians. The correct answer is A. A flashing yellow light signals to proceed with caution, not to stop. Question number 6. What should you do if you see a pedestrian crossing at an intersection? Option A, continue driving as usual. Option B, yield to the pedestrian and wait. Option C, honk your horn to alert them. The correct answer is B. You must always yield to pedestrians crossing at intersections. Question number 7. What does a solid double yellow line mean? Option A, passing is allowed. Option B, passing is prohibited. Option C, a parking lane. The correct answer is B. Solid double yellow lines indicate that passing is not allowed in either direction. Question number 8. When turning left at an intersection, you must yield to, Option A, oncoming vehicles and pedestrians. Option B, only oncoming vehicles. Option C, only pedestrians. The correct answer is A. Left-turning drivers must yield to both oncoming vehicles and pedestrians. Question number 9. What should you do when approaching a railroad crossing with flashing red lights? Option A, stop and wait for the lights to stop flashing. Option B, proceed with caution, looking for trains. Option C, speed up to cross the tracks quickly. The correct answer is A. Flashing red lights at railroad crossings require a complete stop until the lights stop flashing. Question number 10. What does a white rectangular sign with black text indicate? Option A, regulatory instructions. Option B, a warning of potential hazards. Option C, directions to nearby locations. The correct answer is A. White rectangular signs typically provide regulatory instructions, such as speed limits. Question number 11. What should you do when you approach a school bus with flashing red lights? Option A. Slow down and proceed with caution. Option B. Stop and wait until the lights stop flashing. Option C. Speed up to pass quickly. The correct answer is B. When a school bus has flashing red lights, you must stop until they stop flashing. Question number 12. What does a circular sign indicate? Option A, a warning for a curve ahead. Option B, a yield sign. Option C, a railroad crossing. The correct answer is C. Circular signs are used to warn about upcoming railroad crossings. Question number 13. When should you use your high beams? Option A, when driving in foggy conditions. Option B, when driving on open highways at night. Option C, when approaching another vehicle from behind. The correct answer is B. High beams are used for better visibility on highways, but must be dimmed near others. Question number 14. What does a white line on the edge of the road indicate? Option A, lane separation. Option B, a parking lane. Option C, the boundary of the roadway. The correct answer is C. A solid white line marks the edge of the road. Question number 15. What should you do if your vehicle starts to skid on ice? Option A, turn the steering wheel in the opposite direction. Option B, apply the brakes hard to stop quickly. Option C, steer in the direction you want the front wheels to go. The correct answer is C. To regain control in a skid, steer in the direction you want the vehicle to go. Question number 16. What does a red and white triangular sign indicate? Option A, a stop sign ahead. Option B, a pedestrian crossing ahead. Option C, a yield sign ahead. The correct answer is C. A red and white triangle is a yield sign, meaning you must slow down and yield. Question number 17. What is the meaning of a dashed yellow line on your side of the road? Option A, passing is allowed. Option B, passing is prohibited. Option C, lane change is not permitted. The correct answer is A. A dashed yellow line allows passing when it's safe to do so. Question number 18. What should you do if you are involved in a minor accident with no injuries? Option A, call the police immediately. Option B, exchange information with the other driver and report the incident. Option C, leave the scene to avoid traffic. The correct answer is B. In minor accidents, exchanging information and reporting is the legal requirement. Question number 19. What does a flashing red traffic light mean? Option A, stop and proceed when safe. Option B, yield to traffic from the left. Option C, stop and wait until the light turns green. The correct answer is A. A flashing red light means you must stop and proceed only when it's safe. Question number 20. What should you do when you approach an intersection with no traffic signs? Option A, always yield to vehicles on the left. Option B, yield to vehicles on the right. Option C, yield to vehicles on your side. The correct answer is B. In intersections with no signs, yield to vehicles on your right.